Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making this cover, this Bible cover. This is a Bible cover, so if this is what you are interested in, please stay tuned and watch to the end. Please don't forget to like this video and then don't forget to subscribe. So our measurement is 10 by 7.5 inches. We are needing two pieces, 10 by 7.5. This thing is not the standard measurement. The thing is that measure your Bible. The Bible I'm doing it for, this is the size. So you get the size of your Bible and then you know what to use. Then the handle, I'm using 14 inches long by 1 inches, 14 inches by 1 inches. So it's not a standard measurement. There's a size, the Bible have different sizes. Quran have a size. I don't know whether they have different sizes, but I believe maybe they will have different sizes too. So even books, maybe the dictionary, they have different sizes. So if you want to make it, it's the same method. Just measure your book round and then you get the measurement of the book. So now it's time to fix the handle, which I have fixed. Just stitch it down. The space in between is 3 inches. So after fixing the handle, the next thing for me to do is to put the pocket. I just put zip on the pocket, fold the edge, and then what I'm doing now, I'm notching the center. Guys, this is very easy to make. You can make 3, 4, 5, 6 in a day. Depends on your speed. This is a Bible, medium size Bible cover. So I'll just place the pocket like that and then I will sew. So welcome to my channel. My name is Elijah Alice. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, this channel is all about bag making. We make bags, different type of bags. We have lunch bags, school bag, traveling bags. And to my returning subscribers, oh, thank you so much. God bless you. I really appreciate you. And please stay tuned and watch this video to the end and give us a like. If you already subscribed, give us a like. Give us a like, please. Make sure you like. And then if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. So we are done fixing the pocket and even the inners. Can you see that black inner? That is where the cover of the Bible will enter. So we have fixed it. So you just cut it according to the size you want. There's no standard measurement for it. According to the size of your Bible is what you will work with. So can you see now we have fixed it on both sides. So the next thing to do is to measure it round. After you have fixed the front pocket, fix the inner pocket, then the next thing you measure it round. Take one of the piece and measure it round to get the round measurement. So the measurement we have is 32.5 inches. 32.5 inches. Your own may not be 32, so make sure you measure it round. Whatever it gives you, you add 1 inches to it and then you cut. But that 32.5 inches, I'm actually cutting 33, but the zipper is 26 inches long by 1.5. 26 inches long by 1.5. That is the zipper gusset. I mean, that is what I'm cutting for the zipper gusset, and the zipper is also 26 inches long. So what I'll do right now, I'll place the right side facing right side, and will stitch it down. Can you see? Right side facing right side. I will just stitch it down like this. Can you see what I am doing? So I've done stitching it. You stitch it down, then you press stitch it. You have something like this. Then you take the second piece and then you place it again, right side facing right side. You also stitch it down and press stitch it. If you have watched to this extent, thank you so much for staying tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe, and this is my number on the screen. If in case you need this Bible cover, you need them in bulk, we also produce for people to sell. You can contact me on this number. Is a WhatsApp, my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me, tell me how many you need, I will give you the price. And also, if you want to learn, we now have a paid class. You can also contact me with this number. If you want to buy any bag, you can contact me. We'll make for you. We'll make in bulk. Thank you so much for those that have patronized us. God bless you. So what I am doing right now is I'm notching the center. So you will notch the center of the zipper gusset and then also notch the center of the main piece. That is what I am doing right now. Have you subscribed? If you are not yet subscribed and this is your first time, please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. So if you are subscribed, thank you so much. And have you liked? If you have not liked, oh yeah, like now. What is stopping you from liking? So that If you like it, you are supporting it. If you subscribe, you are supporting it. Subscription is free, liking is free, and then drop a comment for us in the comment section to encourage us now. To encourage us, to tell us well done, you are doing well. Just drop a sweet comment. Thank you very much. So now we have sewn the gusset round. After notching it, you sew it round. Can you see? You just sew it round like that. Then how you sew it, after sewing it round, then the second side you also get the center. Then after you get the center, you notch it. So we are almost done with this video. Watch to the end because there are some other video that you will see at the end of this video that you will also like to watch. So just stay tuned and watch to the end. So now we have notched the center too. Then what we'll do is that we'll place the second piece on it and then we'll stitch it around the same way we did to the first one. Then our bag is ready. Can you see? Very, very easy. So our bag is ready. Can you see it? Wow, this is beautiful. I have not even piped it though. I will not pipe it. I will not use a taping bed to tape it, but it's still okay because the material is very, very thick and strong. So can you see? Our cover is ready. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Yes, 6 minutes. Our cover is ready. Can you see? So we just take our Bible. This is the measurement of the Bible. Just take our Bible like this. You see the way I'm fixing it? Just put it like this and you are done. We are done. Can you see the beauty? It's beautiful. Give us a like. Have you liked this? Please give us a thumbs up. Like it. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.